Ang non-experimental research is research that lacks the manipulation of an independent variable random assigned with non-participants. The provisions to order of individuals are both instead to define this large and diverse set of approaches in targeting by what they are. So yung research na to, yung non-experimental, yung ano to, yung kukulik siya ng data, pero wala siyang iibahin. Parang hindi siya gagamit ng introducing treatment. So yung non-experimental, may dalawang major design. Ito ang scripted research at ang correlation.
Ano ibig sabihin pag sinabing non-experiment?
Yung parang walang gagawin.
Non-experimental.
So when you say quantitative, quantity means what? Numbers. Right? Pero there, according to Ernest, there are two types of quantitative research, which is non-experimental and experimental. So yung mga halimbawa ng mga experimental?
Yung
non-COVID,
yung tungkol sa COVID, yung parang wala na siyang papalitan. Yun yung nakatalaga na talaga para ako. Saka yung mayroong dalawang major design yun, non-experimental. Ito ang descriptive